What if your web browser could actually think for you? Imagine reading an article, and your browser just summarizes it instantly, or comparing two products, and it tells you which one's better. Meet OpenAI's ChatGPT Atlas, a browser that merges AI directly into your internet experience. So, what is ChatGPT Atlas? It's a brand new browser built by OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. Think of it as a next-gen browser that has ChatGPT integrated right into the sidebar. You don't need to switch tabs, copy text, or open a separate window. Atlas reads the page you're on, understands the context, and lets you chat right beside it. For example, open a product page and ask, "Summarize the pros and cons of this laptop." Instantly, it gives you a clean summary right beside your screen. It's like having a research assistant that never sleeps. Alright, let's set it up. Here's how you can install ChatGPT Atlas right now on your Mac. Go to chatgpt.com/atlas. Download the Mac installer and drag it into your Applications folder. Launch Atlas and sign in with your OpenAI account. Import your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing data from Chrome or Safari. When prompted, choose if you want to enable browser memory. This lets Atlas remember context between sessions, totally optional. Open any web page. Click the ChatGPT sidebar icon. Type something like, "Summarize this article in 3 points," and watch the magic happen. It's that simple. No extensions, no setup headaches, just AI built right in. Here's where Atlas truly shines. Students generate study notes instantly. Shoppers compare gadgets, features, and reviews across tabs. Professionals automate repetitive browsing tasks. Helps for all kinds of people. So, what's the first thing you'd ask? Drop your answer in the comments below.